Today we learn how to convert video to text. I will also learn how to convert one language video to another language text. Also learn how to paraphrase a text. Okay, let's start and follow me. Now we open a browser and YouTube, any YouTube video open, and click right button.
One of the most powerful ways to speed up any computer.
Copy video URL. Open another tab. Type donsub.com, donsub.com, and paste here URL. Download, click. Already convert. If you want English text, you click here, and if you want another language, they have here more language, you can choose your language: English, Bengali, Arabic. More language have here. You can choose your language. Now I download English. Already download complete. Now open my folder, download folder, and open. You can show your language system is running very slow. There is a huge lag in a machine. Performance of your computer is very slow. Wait, this video already convert video to text. Now we learn how to paraphrase this text. Select all text and copy. We open another tab. Type coilboot.com. Enter. Paste here my text and click Paraphrase. Already Paraphrase complete. Meaning same but language structure change. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.